Yeah, of course, today we're coming out of the abyss on the rooftop. And we go around here. Today we're looking for the magical circuit board. This is a rare find indeed, if I can find one. Oh, that's a rare find right there. Okay. The bloody thing don't work. Well, I think it's because of the circuit board, wouldn't you say? Alright now. Here, come on. We're gonna find it. Oh, what is that? I see it. Gotta catch it. I gotta catch it. Coming through. Ha! Got it. Rare find indeed. Rare find. Can never find these things. Found it today. I'm gonna fox it. I'm gonna fox it right now. Ah, yes. Go back over here. We're gonna fox it. Doesn't match. It looks like the same board, alright. I'm gonna fox it and then I'm gonna come right back.